This time, I purchased Nepenthes Ampullaria tricolor red lips. The picture characteristics haven't developed yet. It seems to be an ampullaria that develops red pitchers as it matures. I'll use this pot for repotting. The potting mix is a 6:4 ratio of kanuma soil and coconut husk chips. Now, let's proceed with the repotting.
What do you all use for the potting mix for Nepenthes Ampullaria?
If coconut husk chips are stuck to the roots and won't come off, I'll plant it as is. The reason for planting it as is that forcibly removing the chips from the roots can damage them. Fill the pot with a layer of potting mix. Plant the pitcher plant, filling the gaps around it with more mix. After adding the mix, cover the top with coconut husk chips to prevent the mix from washing out when watering.
Have you recently purchased a Carnivorous plant? Feel free to share in the comments if you like.
Watering is complete when the water draining from the pot runs clear. About the care location for Nepenthes Ampullaria. Keep it in an area with about 60 to 70% humidity. I provide about 8 hours of LED light. This is a regular Nepenthes Ampullaria. The pitchers are growing nicely, but there are no ground pitchers yet. I'd be happy if both grow well. My ultimate goal is to grow a black miracle. I absolutely want to grow one someday. What's your favorite Nepenthes? Please share in the comments. This Nepenthes growth video will be made into a video in the future. If you're interested, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.